One call to Peaden brings you a complete team: HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, with the experience to do it right. Since 1969, Gulf Coast families have trusted our Peaden pros for clear communication, quality craftsmanship, and upfront pricing with no surprises. We listen first. We explain your options, then we fix it right the first time. Need fast help? We offer quick response for urgent issues and efficient scheduling for installs and upgrades. Want fewer breakdowns? Our Smart Care maintenance plan adds priority service and member savings on repairs and replacements. From the first knock at your door to the final walkthrough, we respect your time, your home, and your budget. Choose the team your neighbors recommend. Choose the pros who stand behind their work. Choose Peaden Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electrical. Professionals you can trust.